Welcome to another episode of learning what it takes to build a new home. And when you think about new construction homes, we've covered some of the details to prep the build of your home. But now we're going to focus on the last stages and getting ready to actually start the construction of your home. One of the things we haven't talked about is the permitting process. And depending on the city you live in, the municipality, or the county you live in, the permits that you're required to have um, can change. So it's very important you talk with your city or the county with what permits are required. Typically in the county, um, state electrical and your septic will have to be inspected. Many other inspections are not required, like you would have in the city. So the city obviously requires gravel. You've got footing inspections, electrical, plumbing, HVAC, framing. So there's a lot more inspections when it comes to the city. Also, you may have to get your plans approved by the city as well. So those are some things to consider. You may, depending on where you're building, you may have to have a building group, which is part of the covenants, approve the house design as well. So there's a lot to think about when it comes to the permitting process. And so you want to make sure you don't miss any of those permits, which can actually hang up you getting your final CO on a particular property. Also want to mention when it comes to your prints, a couple of different places to get them. Obviously, you can buy prints online. You can have a draftsman draw them up. Sometimes builders have their own prints. You can find a print and have a draftsman change it to match your particular needs. So there's a lot of ways when it comes to getting those prints that are done. You want to get multiple copies of those prints so you have those to put out for bid. When you get those sent out, again, if you're handling the general contracting on your own, you're going to have to send them out to all the different subcontractors that you may need to build a particular home. For instance, an HVAC company, plumbers, concrete work, framers, all different things you have to send those prints to. So you're going to want a lot of copies to send out. Obviously, you can send them via email as well. But you have to collect all of those bids back and decide who you want to do your particular type of work. If you go through a builder, they're going to take care of all those things for you. It's a much smoother process as far as that goes along those lines. Or if you hire somebody to do general contracting for you, they'll take care of many of those aspects as well. And so after you get all those prices back, obviously you're going to make a decision on the building process, and then you head into the dig. And many of us are not capable of setting grades, so this is something you're probably going to want to subcontract out for somebody to set the grade of the property. So you have to look at, if you're in a neighborhood, the grade that's been set on the other homes, because you do have to match the grading layout that's required by the city. If you're out in the country, obviously you're going to look at the grade line, make sure you're sloping all the water away from your home. Getting proper fall is really critical to keep water out of your home. Then obviously you're going to hire somebody to do the excavating for you, and then you're going to have to decide with the leftover dirt, how much of that dirt do you need to keep for the grading of your home, how much do you need to haul off, and again, when you get to the excavating your home, this is going to be thousands of dollars. So you're going to have to do it correctly to make sure all these things flow right. That's it for this session of talking about the new construction. We will head into talking about financing next time. So we'll talk about the new construction process as far as getting a loan, those types of things. Thanks again. This is Jerry from Exit Relay North Star in Norwalk, Iowa.